morning, everyone. Yes, we are alive. We had the 6.7 earthquake last night. Woke us up. We were rumbling around. It shook for a little while, and then it stopped. And then a little bit later on, there was an aftershock. We felt that 6.7. That's strong. That's strong. But let me show you, man. Seems like the ocean is really churning up. Flip this around here. The ocean, man, it is churning. These waves are coming in, and they're cracking. You can see a big wave will start to work its way in, and man, it hits this and just blows water all over it. That was a small one. Comes up here. Here comes a nice one. Coming up in a dive shop. So obviously there's no diving today. Hopefully tomorrow. We'll see. I know people were saying you're gonna have to wait a couple days, you know, the visibility and all that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. All I know is these past couple days have been miserable. Then you throw that earthquake in there, man, that was crazy. That was just, I mean, it shook for quite a while. The bed was shaking, the dresser was up, and rolling back and forth, and it was a good one. You can see, I mean, all this down here. See if I can get down here without getting out there in the rain. All this here that you see, all this here, and all this here, this up through here, that's all wash up from the ocean. Well, little pieces of coral in there and stuff. It's just all wash up. Fun. But yes, we are okay, guys. Thank you guys for your concerns. I know people are leaving messages in the video that I just put out asking if we're okay. Yes, we are okay. Put it over here. You can see it's all water come up in here. There's some sticks here that washed up here. The plants are getting a little bit of salt water. That's no good for them, right?
Yeah. I washed fresh water again.
Yeah. Can't control Mother Nature.
All right, we are on our way to Puerto Galera. It's been raining off and on all day. And, you know, we never really walked around Puerto Galera or checked out Puerto Galera when we were here. So I figured, you know, let's go ahead into Puerto Galera, walk around. I love this ride from Sabang to Puerto Galera. It's like a big roller coaster. It's just up and down and over the hills, and it's just a fun ride. Here it is.
Take everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding, riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real, I call for you, hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light your fire, I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling, maybe we're invisible at last, fueling every engine, power is descending, baby
check out the Puerto Galera public market here. You guys know I love markets. This is a one-way street here. Comes down through here. Oh, he's turning in here. Just gonna go through here and see what's going on. See what they got. If they have anything interesting. You know, we're by the sea, so you would think fresh market with fresh seafood.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Looks like a typical market. Fruits, vegetables. Looks fresh.
Hello.
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 Hey, the vegetables look real fresh. It's like you see in every market. Here's some coconut here.
Oh, that's coconut.
Yeah, coconut. I was saying, like the fruits and stuff look, or the vegetables look so fresh. You know? What says kinda? This must be your seafood. Yeah, they got the seafood in these styrofoam containers. Hello.
Serving someone.
No, thank you. It looks fresh. It looks all the vegetables look very fresh.
I'm fresh.
He's fresh. Some dry fish.
Yeah, dry fish.
You can always smell the dry fish.
Fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tilapia,
Milkfish.
milkfish.
Tilapia.
Yeah, milkfish and tilapia. Let's see. I don't see any like exotic sea fish or anything. Hello.
Like this one.
Here's some more. There's some nice sized prawns there. Yeah, they're nice size. Tuna, tilapia, milkfish.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Like Liz said, in the morning, more than likely they'll have more fresh seafood through here. And it's 3 o'clock, maybe? And this little market's open, so it's not like just a morning market. So that was your pork back there. Here's your chicken area. Here's your empty area. That's really about it. Just a small little market. But it's nice that it's open in the middle of the day. All right, we are like, I guess, in the center area of Puerto Galera. Here's one of the things, guys, I was told. There's no like Jollibees or Chow Kings, anything. There's nothing like that here in the city. Now there's 7-Elevens, of course. Right across the street there is their main supermarket. I'm sure they have many more, but we're just going to take a little stroll down this way, see what they have going on down here. Looks like all your knockoff products, your shoes and your cell phone holders and shorts and all kinds of goodies through here. Hello. I said these things are pretty popular too. You can use those for transportation also.
They're very big on this one.
These I call them a death trap.
Oh my
Yeah. But they're pretty popular as far as you know, either choose something like that to take you around or a trike. You got them all decorated up. Said I have never walked through Puerto Galera at all. See what's going on. Cafe Italia.
Cafe Italia.
That's open too. Yeah, that's open.
Yeah, I think so.
A lot more of your restaurants and stores, I would imagine, are open. Cafe Italia. Italian food?
Yes.
Yeah. It's good to see the businesses open. Hello. There's an MX. There's an alleyway, goes back there. There's a scrappy looking puppy. It's got to bring us out somewhere, you know. Hello. I smell dried fish. Yep, there it is, dried fish. it's good to see this, you know, Puerto Galera. It's a lot bigger than Sabang. A lot more people live in here. But you got, of course, you got a lot more, a lot more stores and places open. I always enjoyed down by the ocean, by the beach here. I love how the boats just are all docked up through here. I just think it's neat. You know, the colors, the blues, the oranges, the yellows, the greens, the whites. I don't know, I just think it's, to me, I love this. And you see scenes like this all over the Philippines. You know, I want to come out here and see what these kids are doing. Hello. What are you doing? Swimming. Is that your raft? Is that your boat? Is that your boat? Yeah? All right. Always kids are swimming, and it's just, I love this. I just love seeing this. You can see there's a couple guys out there fishing. It looks like a fishing net here, all bundled up. But wow. And the breeze is just refreshing. It's just refreshing. You guys check that out, man. That's a drainage system here. That water's moving. That's coming from under the street here. Let me go across here. I'll show you on this side. It's coming from over here. It's all your water drainage from in the city here. But imagine it goes out to the ocean. But where do you want to walk, bud?
I don't care where.
Back this way?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll wander back this way a little bit. Yeah, we'll wander back down the alleyway here. Lena's Meat Shop. Elna's Meat Shop. I always like wandering off the side roads. Main roads are cool, but the side roads, you can you always see something different, something, you know, just cool to me. Another restaurant here, pizza joint. There's a propane gas place. There's a ukay. Ukay. Oh, barber shop. Oh, hang on, let me go up here. I'm gonna get run over. Looks yelling at me because these cars are coming down through here. Pretty narrow fit, pretty tight fit coming through here. It's not raining now, obviously, but kind of looks like when it rains, these roads get full of water. You can see the mud on it. It's kind of just like your average city in the Philippines. Now there's a Chucks to go. You have your hardware places. You have your cell phone places. You have your rice selling places. Hello. It's just your average, I mean, your average city with the same things, your little bakeries, and of course the 7-Eleven, and did I say pharmacies, and little bakery right there. There's a little gift shop over there. It looks like flowers. Smell the breads. Yeah, I can smell a bakery. Cebuanas. Every place has a Cebuana, money sending place where you can send money. There's meat markets. There's your markets. Dentist places, eye places. Hello. And you know what? Just like every city you go to here in the Philippines, the people are just friendly, smiling. Hello, how you doing? It's just the people. That's how the people are here, which makes the Philippines, to me, great. You know, it's hard to say, but back in the States, if you say hello to somebody, they might look at you like you're crazy. You know. At least that's how it was before I left. So now we're going to shoot down here. There's a school down here. We'll shoot down this road and just check out this school. Here is Puerto Galera Central School, and I'm sure they do not have face-to-face schooling here, but the schools are always, every time you go by a school, even out in the middle of nowhere in a province, the schools are always colorful and painted and maintained and kept nice. And you get on the provinces and the schools have landscaping around it and everything. But this is the Puerto Galera Central School. There's a Bike Haven Parts and Repair. I just wandered down here just a little bit more. If you want to see more of Puerto Galera, Lutz got her perspective of it. Lutz Diary Adventure. If you're not familiar with who she is, that's my wife. She has her own channel, Lutz Diary Adventures in the Philippines. She's filming around, doing her perspective of things. Look at this school. Very nice. See how it's all maintained, and you know, the landscaping's really nice and colorful. It's one thing they do keep their schools nice here in the Philippines. A lot of the schools have no air conditioning in it. You know, private schools might. Well, I know private schools do, but public schools, not so much with the air conditioning. So anyways, I guess I lost my crew. So I'm gonna wrap this one up. Another rainy day here. Another rainy day. It's all right. You know what? Would I love to be diving? Yes, I would love to be diving. But you know what? To me, a rainy, bad day out and by the ocean, enjoying the ocean and watching the ocean, and you know, just relaxing, hearing the ocean waves coming in and out. A bad rainy day will beat a good sunny day in the city, in my opinion, any day. So, all right, guys, I'm wrapping this one up. There it is, just a little stroll around Puerto Galera. Like I said in the beginning, I've never really roamed around this area to check it out. So we figured, hey, might as well do it while we, you know, got the time and when we can. So with that being said, take care of yourself, take care of each other, take care of the sick, the elderly, and the young, your pets. Take care of your pets, and we'll talk to you later.